name is Regina Morgan. I'm an ophthalmologist practicing in Nigeria, in Abuja, Nigeria. My problem has been with my spine. It started many years ago. I've had surgeries in many continents. In the Europe, I've had in Asia, and I've had in America. The first surgery, spine surgery I had in Asia was in India here about 8 years ago. At that time, I hadn't heard about BLK. Next time I heard about BLK, I had contact with Mr. Vikram, who is a very good friend of ours. He introduces us and helps us get along in the hospitals in India, but especially BLK. And then he made me come to BLK, and I met Dr. Puneet through Mr. Vikram. Honestly, as a medical practitioner, the first day I saw Dr. Puneet, I took a liking to him. And so when my elder sister, Mrs. Okwe, had same spine problem, I brought her straight here. And in 2014, Dr. Puneet did a surgery on her spine for her, minimally invasive spine surgery for her. And I tell you, till this day, she's fine. And then, this time I needed another surgery because I developed an adjacent level disease. And I said to Mr. Vikram, Dr. Puneet has to do my surgery this time. And I came, as usual. Dr. Puneet was very welcoming, and he explained everything to me, even in terms that a non-medical practitioner would understand. I was quite happy. And Dr. Puneet did the surgery. Initially, when he said the surgery was going to be the next week, I was disappointed. I said, Dr. Puneet, do it today, do it today. He said, no, I'm making a journey and I'll be back. And he was back, as he said, and I had the surgery done. Of the 4 surgeries I've had on my back, I can say with all confidence that this has been the best. The immediate post-op period was uneventful. And subsequently, while I was in the hospital, everything went well. Dr. Puneet came to see me several times, and Dr. Puneet has become like a household name in my family. And so my elder brother, Dr. James Apochi, also has a spine problem. I don't know if spine problems run in families, but whatever. He had a disc prolapse with a lot of impingement on the nerves, and he was in severe pain. And I said, I'll have to take him to Dr. Puneet. And I'm so happy for my brothers because he was in severe pains from Nigeria. Now he is comfortable. He is very happy. I am happy. Members of my family are happy. So I would like to say a very big thank you to the management of BLK for having someone, a surgeon like Dr. Puneet, because Dr. Puneet is a testimony any day. Permit me to say that Dr. Puneet stands out as a surgeon. I don't know about many other surgeons in BLK because I haven't had contact with so many, but the contacts I have had with Dr. Puneet is enough to tell me a lot about the conduct of affairs in BLK. Dr. Puneet is an asset to BLK. And I don't think it would be nice to finish my talk without mentioning Mr. Vikram, who is the go-between, because Mr. Vikram is the one who has always brought us to BLK. And let me say that we shall not fail to ask anybody who is talking about India to come to BLK. BLK is the hospital. Thank you very much.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.